Hey, YouTube and Instagram, you got Howard Gearhauser here. In today's video episode, I wanted to talk to you guys about meditation. Now, meditation is a topic that I'm seeing all over the place during this self-quarantine, so I thought I'd drop by and let you know some really good meditation resources that are both free and paid that I utilize almost every single day. In fact, I just got done doing about an hour-long meditation, which was unbelievable. Now, if you're starting out, you certainly don't need to meditate for an hour. Even a couple minutes is a great place to start. So if you're a beginner, there's some apps that I really like the Calm app and the Headspace app. Again, I'll link to everything in the description, but those are two good apps that kind of take you on a day-by-day sequence of meditation, which is really awesome. If you follow Shetty on Instagram, he's been doing, I believe it's a 20-day meditation, which is great for beginners as well. And it's a good way of staying on track. So I'll link to him. Now, if you want to go a little more advanced and do a little bit longer guided meditations, my absolute favorite person to go to for meditation is Dr. Joe Dispenza. He has paid meditations. They're not that expensive, and I really think it's worth it, but they're pretty long. They can range from 20 minutes to an hour in length. It doesn't seem that long once you get used to it, and once you really start diving deep, it becomes pretty fun, but they are pretty long if you're starting out, so you might not want to start there. But I'll link to his meditations. All of his are really cool. He actually has a program that you can purchase. It's like an intensive version of one of his meditation workshops. Those are really awesome and really powerful. There's a lot of material in there, so you're going to want to allocate quite a bit of time if you're going to do that. But I'll throw up a link to that too, because I went through it and it was pretty unbelievable. It really helped me with my meditation and made it fun and made it one of the most enjoyable parts of my day. So Dr. Joe Dispenza is really good. If you want some free meditations, there's a guy named Daughty. He's a younger guy who has really good meditations that's helped me out quite a bit. They're on the longer side too, 20 to 30 minutes, but are really awesome guided meditations, helps you connect really deeply. So I will put up his link. And there's another one called Activation Vibration. This one's a lot more spiritual and a little more esoteric, but I think is very powerful as well. Whereas like Dr. Dispenza's are more science-based, which if you're into science, he's a great person to follow. So I'll link to all of those. There's so many people out there offering meditation, and it's incredibly important, especially in times of chaos. We want to create that order within by doing our meditation. And I think that's really important to clear our energy, to recalibrate, to make sure that we're not dwelling in the past or projecting into the future, staying in the present moment. Meditation's a wonderful way to do that. And if you incorporate that with some of the other techniques that we've taught to reduce stress, you can have a really powerful combination of getting your heart rhythm stabilized and coherent while also going deep in your internal world. It's pretty magical, and it really feels amazing when you get totally in sync with nature and God or the creator or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty amazing. So go check out those links. Again, there's tons of free stuff, so you don't have to pay. Rather than me teaching the meditation, I'll just point you to the individuals that I'm following because they are fantastic. So hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.